Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way, without any effort. Just listen carefully and watch this video multiple times. Today's topic is, why does the United States have a special relationship with South Korea? The bond between the United States and South Korea began after World War II, when Korea was liberated from Japanese occupation. However, the real foundation of their relationship was laid during the Korean War from 1950 to 1953. During that time, the U.S. led United Nations forces to defend South Korea from a North Korean invasion backed by China and the Soviet Union. Since then, the U.S. and South Korea have built a strong alliance based on military, economic, and cultural cooperation. Militarily, the U.S. has maintained a significant presence in South Korea for decades. Today, nearly 30,000 American troops are stationed there as part of a mutual defense agreement. This alliance is designed to deter North Korean aggression and maintain stability in the region. Economically, both nations are close trading partners. The U.S.-Korea Free Trade Agreement has allowed goods and services to move more freely, benefiting industries like technology, automobiles, and agriculture. Culturally, Korean pop culture has had a massive influence in the U.S., while American culture is widely embraced in South Korea. From K-pop and Korean dramas to Hollywood movies and fast food chains, the cultural exchange is dynamic and growing. The relationship is also grounded in shared democratic values. Both countries support freedom, human rights, and rule of law. They often collaborate on international issues, from climate change to global health initiatives. Despite occasional disagreements, such as over trade or defense costs, the U.S.-South Korea relationship remains one of the strongest partnerships in Asia and the world. So, why is the relationship special? Because it's rooted in history, strengthened by shared goals, and constantly evolving to meet new challenges together. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video. It's essential to mastering English and learning more about American culture. Like, share, and help us continue growing and producing even better videos for you. See you in the next adventure.